Everyone, so another month has gone by and I have a huge amount of empties to show you and a couple of things I'm just decluttering because I did not like them. So if you're interested in seeing what's in this bag, just keep on watching. First thing I have in here is this Equate Epsom salt. So I use these a lot of times when I take a bath, and my daughter really likes these. These are really nice and they're not a bad price. So I do tend to stock up on salts like these. They are really nice. I used up another of these. These are the Mighty Patch, and I think these work really nicely. I think these are for the deeper blemishes. If you ever get those, these work really nice. Might take one or two, and then my skin has been cleared up, and I do recommend these. I used up this hair mask. This is the Keratin Smooth Hair Mask, and I got this from Marshall's a while ago, and it looks like originally it was $10. I paid $7.99 for it, but I scraped out everything that I could. And this does have a really nice smell, very sweet kind of smell. I did really enjoy using this. It's a month for dry shampoos. So this is the Batiste Instant Hair Refresh Dry Shampoo, Coconut and Exotic Tropical. I think this worked really nicely. I had really dry hair, and I'll tell you why. In this bag, there's a product that just oiled my hair up so bad. It took so long to get the oil in my hair to get fixed, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So besides this, I went through a whole bunch of hair masks just to try to get my hair back to what it originally was. There's another hair mask. This is the Joycoat Moisture Recovery Treatment Balm. And I didn't realize when I went to use this that there was a hole at the top, but you know what? The product was fine. I got this from Marshall's, and it looks like I can't read how much I paid for it. It was ripped apart, but this is the second one I've used from there. Second product I bought, same product I should say, from Marshall's, and I do really like this. Used up this conditioner. I bought this for my daughter, but I ended up using it up. This is the Feel Different Feel, D-I Feel Different Feel. That's how it says. Biotin Pro Growth Shampoo. So this is what it looks like. It has a really good apple-y kind of scent, and I do like it. Her hair is nice and long now, so I don't have to necessarily buy any of these gross shampoos. But I did really like this, and I think it worked really well. This up, this is from Milani. It's the Make It Last Floral Scented Setting Spray, and I don't have too much to say about this. It worked, and I don't think I necessarily rebuy this, but it did work pretty well. This up, this is the Hemp's Pumpkin Spice and Vanilla Chai Herbal Moisturizer. I bought this actually last Christmas. Not this last Christmas, the Christmas before, if that makes sense. And this was not my favorite scent. I used it up, but I would not repurchase. But the actual formula for this lotion is really good. So I would definitely recommend, maybe just not this scent. I didn't like the scent. Shampoo that I used up from Chi Infra, I just can't get these out today. It's the Moisture Therapy Shampoo, and I do like it. It's supposed to be paraben-free, sulfate-free. So exactly what kind I like. I don't like to buy any shampoos or conditioners from, like, say, Target or Walmart because of that. So I did get this from Marshall's, and I will say I think it is pretty nice, and I got a really good deal on it. Up another one of these. These are the creamy body washes from Athena Club. I think I have 2 left in my collection. I used to get these, if you're new, delivered to my house at least once every month because I have the subscription. I still get their shave cream and their shavers, but that's it. I don't get anything else, but this was coming all the time, and I'm finally starting to go through them. They're not my favorite, but I am getting them. I'm getting them used up. Go through a candle this month. This is the White Barn Fresh Cut Lilacs. So it's one of the bigger candles, and it smelled very strong, but I did use it completely up. It won't burn anymore. I don't think I would repurchase because it is so strong. It smells really good. It does smell like fresh cut lilacs, like it says. It's just a really strong candle. Even before you're burning it, it's just super strong. It's a little bit too strong in my opinion, but I did get through it. I just want to buy it again. I used this up from Yura. This is the Correct and Protect Serum Broad Spectrum SPF 45, and I have one left, and that's one I'm working on right now. Really did like this. I got this really good deal from Marshall's. It was either Marshall's or TJ Maxx. I can't remember which one, but it was a good deal for what I got, and I do really like this product. I have a couple more that I used up, and then I have a lot of declutters this month, unfortunately. So I used this up. This is the coconut lip butter. It's in pretty rough shape, but I did eventually, well, I used up the most that I could. I didn't like the way this tasted, so I guess you could say this was almost a declutter, but I used it as much as I could. without throwing the whole thing away. This I really like. This is the Smith's Minted Rose Lip Balm, and I use this completely up, except for there's a little color on the side there, but not enough to even use. I like this. I think it works really nicely, especially in this dry weather. I use this nearly every day, night, day, it didn't matter. It's really good. For declutters, this one is a huge declutter. This wrecked my hair for a very long time, and I will never use this again. This is the Kuza Jamaican Black Castor Oil infused with coconut oil leave-in conditioner. It says it moisturizes and strengthens, but it just got so thick in my hair, and you're not supposed to dry it, or you're not supposed to necessarily put it in your hair after you've towel dried your hair, and it's supposed to just leave it like that. But the problem is it just sits in your hair, it coats your hair, and it's not, I did not like it. It ruined my hair for the longest time. So this is what it looks like. It doesn't have a bad smell or anything, but I only used this one time. And yes, I made the mistake of thinking this was one that you put in and then washed it out, which it's not. That might have been part of the problem, but I'm not about to use this again because it coated my hair, and it took almost a month to get all of this out of my hair. And I had to go through so many deep conditioners, things like that, just to get this out. Washed my hair way more than I usually would. It is all because of this product. I don't recommend it. And yeah, I just would not, if I would have known that, I would have never purchased this product. And I have a couple things here that I had bought from Amazon. And these were just, I should have used these, but I didn't like how they worked. And it was like you bought 3 and it came in a container of 3. This is what it looks like. I opened the one up, tried to use it, but it is rock hard, as you can see. I mean, it is super, I don't even know if I can do that. I'm pushing as hard as I can, and it's making that little bit right there with my nailer. That's where it kind of was pushing it up. And when you try to get this on your brows, it started to take off my brows. Can you see that? Those are my brow hairs, and I just will not be using this ever again. Unfortunately, I wasted my money on this. And that goes with this as well. This is a different brand, but this is like the same stuff. And I bought a couple of these at one time from Amazon, and I kind of regret doing that. So this is another one, and I just don't like it. It's another one that's not as hard, but you can see it is pretty hard. And I have a feeling it is going to pull on my brow hairs just like the other product did. So I can't remember what I paid for these, but I will not be buying anything from Amazon, especially for brows. I have learned my lesson. I have a brush that I don't remember what I got. It says it's a Freeman brush. Don't know where I got this necessarily. It could have been from a subscription. It's kind of old, but it doesn't stay together anymore. It falls apart. So I'm just going to get rid of that. But it looks like I do have one item. Oh, a couple more here. This one was one that I did use up. This was a double serum curcuma turmeric. This was a sample here. It was nice. I didn't have much to say. It was only a 1-day sample. This is from Sunbum. This is the Watermelon 30. But honestly, I found this in my closet, and it's pretty full. But I know it went bad because it tastes absolutely awful. When I get this on my lips, I have to actually take a cloth and wipe all of it off. I cannot stand it. So it has to go. This here is the Chill Mint Lip Balm, and actually this one I used up. So that one is used up all the way as far as I could. I could have dug that out, but I didn't. This one was really good, and I did like this product. All right, everyone, so I thought I was done, and I found one more empty. This is the Hemp's Vanilla Frost Mountain Herbal Body Moisturizer. I did like this. Again, this is a really good formula, and I have a few more in my collection to use up. And I do want to do that rather soon because these are getting a little old, but definitely recommend this product. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I did just do a project pan update a couple of days ago. I hope you go check that out. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.